Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to leave a clan in World of Warships. First, load into your game and go to your port. Once you're in your port, navigate up here to where you can see your clan tag. Click on that and it will lead you to your clan screen. And once you're here, you're trying to figure out how to leave the clan. It doesn't say where, but all you have to do is there's a little arrow here next to your clan name. What you have to do is click on that, and here's an option to leave your clan. Click that, and click Leave Clan. Once you do leave clan though, do remember that once you leave, you lose clan bonuses, access to the clan base, and clan battle participation. Also know that if you are the clan leader, you must transfer leadership to another member or disband the clan before you can leave. And that's it. You've successfully left your clan in World of Warships.